All right, we're here at the City of Pratt Community Center. Want to do another repair video, taking the time to mark out some leaks. Just kind of show where these things are coming in, what we're going to do, kind of show you before and after. Got a leak there. I think pipe flashing is pretty obvious example. We're going to come in, reflash that system. Rope's kind of at the end of its life cycle here, but you can see another X right there, probably leaking from this pipe flashing. But we also have to do a little bit of work along these eaves. You can see more X's, marking a little spot. I think it's coming in from right there. You can also feel the deck's getting a little bit spongy right here, so I think they're seeing a decent amount of water. Got X's there, got a leak around here. Water tapers all the way to this back gutter system, so it does see a lot more water pressure back here than it does on the front side. See, we got some that are showing up in the middle of nowhere. Those are a little more concerning. It kind of shows the system and how it's starting to age. Same here. And then you can see we've got another one here, probably a pipe flashing. We'll come show you these when we're done, how we take care of these. And this one's just in poor condition. We just want to get it taken care of. Got a leak right there. And then you can just start to see this has been worked on, but just the overall aging condition. It's time to do some pretty significant maintenance on the building. All the pipe flashings need to be taken care of. And then we've got air conditioner leak right over here. Probably redo this flashing right here. Show you when it's all said and done what it looks like. It's actually leaking in the center of the north cut, but you can see that we got water running here. Nothing's been pushed out and away from these penetrations. Got a leak here in the center. I think this one's coming from a AC vent on the inside. Possibly a pitch fan here. You can see where that shot needs to be taken care of. Got a leak, I believe, around this turbine. I think far turbine over there. We'll reflash that as well, see if we can get that fixed. And then here's one, and I think what we have is we don't have a vent pipe hooked up anymore. I don't think the roof's leaking here. We'll dive into it a little bit more, but this really needs that little U-shaped in there to cause it to drain correctly. I think that could be the simple fix right there. So you can see the pitch pans. A lot of these are in pretty bad shape, all holding water. We're going to do some work around these. We'll come back with a final video, or maybe get a couple